Today we're going to be doing a 100% honest slime review. And this is my friend Cashmere. Come on.
Hey.
As you could see in my other video, I did a Play-Doh recipe with my other friend. And so we're going to be doing a 100% honest slime review. And so we're going to be starting with Grass. It's the name. And we ordered these and unboxed them just a little while ago. And while you're up and looking up at my title and stuff and watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notifications every single time I post, and make sure you hit that bell because then you'll actually get like some good you'll get like my notifications on every single time I post. And give this a like, and if you are the first one to give a like in my she's fixing the camera.
There we go.
Okay, so make sure you give like
back here. Hold up.
yeah.
Okay, hold up.
Okay, so as you can see, that slime texture is really nice. It's super thick.
That's Grass, by the way.
Yeah, its
It's a
name is
weird
Grass. That's why we ordered it.
Because they're weird.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Just wait. Yeah, put those up. Okay, next one, his name is Cash. And by the way, my name is spelled C-A-S-H, so that's what it is. But my
Her name is Cashmere, and her nickname is Cash.
So this is what it looks like. Doesn't it look like cash or gold? But I like cash better. Oh my gosh, where's it going? Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's really stretchy. And satisfying.
Okay, so the
Okay,
next
next
one
one.
is called Summer.
Yeah, it's cool.
There's the lid. As you can see, it says Summer.
Dude, not.
It's okay. Okay.
And then
So-
candy.
Okay, so this one's super thick and clicky. I like to call it Clicky Vicky, but its name is Summer.
Because it looks like summer, guys. Look at
like-
it.
Yeah, it's like yellow, clear, like amazing texture slime.
It's really loud. You probably can't hear it, but it's really nice. And it smells awesome.
Yeah, it smells
Okay.
like flower buds.
Next one is named Candy. I just want to eat it. Like, I'm so hungry right now and thirsty. Next one might be Milkshake. Oh, this one's Milkshake.
Okay.
And then we'll still be Friendship. So we got this one. It's named Candy, and it's really soft. It smells amazing. Probably can't smell it, but look at it. It's really dark pink. It might be light in the light. Light is light. There.
So the next time, we did not just unbox, but we just made this one, and it's called the Milkshake Butter Cream.
Yeah, and it's our friendship kind of one too.
Yeah, so it's really thick texture,
Yeah.
and it's like feels like jelly, and it's
And we
really
have these
stretchy.
little, like, I think it's kind of like unicorn skin, but blue, but we don't know what it is. But it's really pretty.
Yeah, but okay, there is a hint.
There.
No,
I can't
right
see.
there.
Yeah.
There's a hint of the unicorn.
Okay. The next one is named Cotton Candy. And it's really nice slime. This is what it looks like so far. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so watch. Ow. Okay, so that's what it is. Really pretty. Next.
Okay, this is my favorite one of all. And it is, I like to call it Creamy Butter,
Yeah.
but its name is Cream.
So she's kind of close to the one that she likes.
So this one is cream, and it feels like cloud mixed with cream slime. Cloud slime is one of my favorites.
Yeah, mine too. It's really cool.
Yeah.
And when you like drop it, it's satisfying. My sister had one of them and it was really cool.
There it is. There's that one.
Okay, next one named is Cool, which it probably is. Look at it. It's clear slime and with sparkles in it. It's nice. I like it a lot.
Okay, so the next slime, I like to call it pom pom slime, but its name is fruit. And so yeah, it's like a really thick texture because of the not the foam beads, but the pom poms. She's moving the camera, but
Yeah.
but this is like a really jellyfish like pom pom.
Yeah. It's really cool. Okay, next one's name is Fluffy. And it's a foam bead one. It smells like lemon kind of. I don't know what to call it, but it's really cool. It's really crunchy. Okay. The next one is she's gonna do.
Yeah, its name is Crunch.
Like, it's kind of like Captain. Okay, it's like a kind of cereal. Was
Yeah,
it kind
it's
of
like
cereal? Is it?
Captain Crunch is a
Yeah.
fancy
So I thought it was gonna be like that one because it looked like it.
It's really thick and it feels like Play-Doh and slime at the same time. It's like really creamy and good.
Okay. Next one is named LOL. It's kind of like those LOL dolls. If you know what I'm trying to say. Okay. Look at it. It's a clear slime too. Can you see me? Oh. Did you hear that? Okay. She's gonna. Okay. Really, dude?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We have the night one.
Okay.
Okay. And I have this one. Thanks. Okay. Next one, she's gonna do something. I just went.
Okay. So this one is called the Love. I like to call it Love Bugs because it looks pretty cute. Okay. So it is like the one she had last time, like that one fluffy, but this one is really thicker and nicer and cute. And so yeah, she's putting up her hair right now. Let's see. She's getting a drink of water out of her sink. Okay.
I will get in a drink.
Okay. I'm
Oh,
poking.
I got slime on my hand.
Okay, so that is that one.
Wait, me. Okay. Next one is, it's called Unicorn
Skin.
Skin. I didn't put skin because I'm cool. Just kidding. I didn't name it. Look at it. Really? Yeah. So that's that one. Moving on.
I like to call this one Friday night, but it is lemon. I like to call it Friday night because my Friday nights look like this because it's like amazing. Okay, so this is kind of like sticky and crunchy at the same time.
It's kind of sticky.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a tiny bit. In the next video of hers, we're gonna do something.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's that one.
Yeah, I'm
Next
putting it
one
back into
is
the
called slime. I'm gonna turn this one into a coffee slime. So yeah, it's kind of sticky. Oh, it's super sticky. So yeah, that's that one.
Okay, this one is called the Night. And I like to call this one Night Whale Wolf because it is super stretchy and jelly.
Here, show it to me.
Okay.
It looks here. I'll show you. It's like a blue, and it has like sparkles in it.
Yeah, it's pretty cute.
Okay, you want to do the next one?
Yep.
Okay, next one. She's gonna do it since I did this one.
Pumpkin pie.
It's actually Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie pie.
Pinkie Pie. It's
Okay, this one's like the one, where is it? It's like crunch. So it's like a really thick texture. And it's super stretchy and it feels like Play-Doh, like I said.
yeah, I like that one. It's really cool. It's kind of like a buttery texture, but not like a buttery texture at the same time.
Okay, so that is it for this video.
So,
And
Yeah.
I hope you guys liked it, even though it was a 12-minute video. Hope you guys liked it, and
comment down
Click-
below.
yeah. Oh, and,
And
I got a question of the day. The question of the day is, what's your favorite color and why? And if you guess my favorite color right, you will get a shout out in my next video. And make sure you subscribe and click the like button, and don't forget to comment like that question that I said. Okay, bye guys.